If you want to fix your audio message not working on iPhone, then follow the following steps. Go on settings, then scroll down and go to mail or messages. Then here you have to make sure that your iMessage is turned on. For the next step, go to settings, go scroll down and find accessibility. Then scroll down and go to sound recognition. Here you can turn this off and on. If it is still not working, then go to settings and scroll down, go to general, go to software update. Make sure your phone is updated. If your voice messages are still not working, then go to settings and then scroll down and go to general. Scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset all settings. This will reset your iPhone settings. If you have a newer generation iPhone, then quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you have an older generation iPhone, like for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the sleep wake button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please support us by liking the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Do visit gossipfunda.com for more tips and tricks.